Hello traders, this is Alla on August 3rd. Take a look on this corrective fluff. Take a look at what we are dealing with this morning. S&P is sitting at Fibonacci support, but there is no meaning in this structure. It's completely meaningless. Trader who survives first 2 years in trading understands and knows extremely well. Separating corrections from reversals is everything in your trading. In regular market conditions, price does this 40% of the time. It doesn't matter if it's gold, oil, Apple, euro, pound, or S&P. Market exhausted. Market overextended. Institutions not closing the positions. This correction's playing out non-stop. When rules are met, knowledgeable trader takes a trade. When correction in a play, knowledgeable trader not touching this market. And this is what price had done time and time again, non-stop, as price reminded you. Only when rules are met, you can take a trade. That's what played out yesterday morning, when after non-stop corrective fluff, spectacular bullish reversal was in a play. Exact same thing played out on August 1st. Not now. Corrections are brokers' favorite market conditions. Corrections are narrow ranges. One knowledgeable trader not participating in this market. Knowing the rules for entry, knowing the rules for exits is everything. Speculation and day trading never works. Fixed stops, fixed targets, not an option. Price show you where your stop and where your target must be. Exact same identical dance currently in play on Tesla. Knowing what to do with your position is the key. Price action is always present. Trades are not. Right now, there is no trades. There is only massive corrective fluff. Back and forth. Knowledgeable trader understands that having sniper mentality is everything in day trading. Knowledgeable trader does not babysit corrections. Knowledgeable trader spends maximum 10 hours per week in front of the screen. Less trades, more money. And that's what Lee realized. And that's typical of student who is making an effort in the course. As this email reminds you, hand-holding in trading does not work. As beautiful trades playing out in the afternoon after the close of the trading room. And that remains the key. What you trade, absolutely up to you. And what my students think about the course is everything. As I live and breathe what I do. Once you master price action, you can decide what you want to trade. As price remains stuck, as Lee knows extremely well, not to touch this fluff. You cannot buy or sell correction. Price is frozen. Knowing the rules for your entry is everything. Rules are met, take a trade. Doesn't matter if you trade euro, if you trade pound, if you trade Apple or Amazon. Levels remain the same. Choice is yours. As exact same level remains in a play on any instrument, any time frame. Price is frozen. My goodness, what a spectacular reminder! Look at this range. Fibonacci support reminded you, never short near. Levels identified weeks in advance in a play in front of you, right now. Will rules be met for a trade? Remains to be seen. Knowledgeable trader who knows the rules already knows what chart is setting up. What a spectacular reminder! One tick would make a world of difference. We've been stuck in this corrective fluff for the last 40 minutes. As we're discussing the importance of proper stop placement, proper trade placement, stop limit 2471 and a quarter, not executed. Trader who does not know how to place an order and already in a trade, trading against himself. Which kind of trader are you? Do you know how to place a trade? Or do you pull a trigger randomly? Or are you a trading warrior? Are you a trading strategist? Your trade placed properly will make a world of difference. Proper bracket, proper stop limit, 95% of the time. Trade not executed. Corrective fluff remains. As we discussed with students pre-market, as we discussed with students just now, it is so darn weak. One tick will make a world of difference. Absolutely nothing in common between the structure now and the structure yesterday morning. Zero zilch. Stop limit 2471 and a quarter only. Look at that drastically different market structure. It's no longer a correction. Look what happens when you play by the rules and not pulling trigger randomly and know extremely well. This is Fibonacci support. Do not short near. As much pain as market was in, one tick would make a world of difference. Clear on that? Magic happens if you play by the rules in life. Magic happens if you play by the rules in your trading account. If you understand extremely well where to buy and where to sell this market. Knowledgeable trader knows right now extremely well that moving stop outside of break-even is the key. Because this is not your regular level. This is not your little baby chart. This is hourly resistance right now in front of you. Respecting this as your target and moving your stop outside of break-even is the key. Once again, you witnessed only pure price and Fibonacci will work. Everything else background noise. Once again, you witness staying out from corrective fluff, not touching market when market in excruciating pain, and placing your trade only when rules are met will determine everything in your trading. Are you surprised price is struggling at this level? Should not be. And this is your work week. Out of 9 hours we've been here, your screen time less than 6. As knowledgeable trader never ever 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 babysits corrections. Every single person here has different account size. Every single person here has different circumstances, has different experience. But what is constant is following. If you can trade one lot on S&P, and if you can play by the rules, the sky's the limit. Billions of dollars traded on S&P. You can trade one lot. You can continue adding lots to your account as long as you remain consistently profitable. So, What is 2 points on S&P 1 lot? $100. 10 lots, $1,000. 20 lots, $2,000. Students from beginner to hedge fund trader. Students who trade account as small as 5,000. 2 hedge fund managers who trading 8-figure account using method I developed in 2008. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Price is struggling as expected. No ifs or buts about it. Any questions, please do ask. New class starts on August 7th. Group class details on the Learn page, where you can see very clearly. Classes are live. Key classes Monday and Friday. Private mentoring 16 weeks. Course 4 weeks. I extended to 8 in case you have to take time off due to any time off to vacation or sickness time. Key classes Monday and Friday. In private mentoring, I work with you one-on-one. In private mentoring, we concentrate on the instrument of your choice. Thursday and Friday is booked for the next year for private mentoring. If you ever have any questions outside of contacting me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com, please review the information on the website and see. Students trade anything and everything, from beginner to hedge fund trader. What you choose to trade absolutely depends on you. As S&P struggling immensely, but trail placed in perfect place. In the course you learn to never disrespect decision point 2, which is exact same thing as happening on Tesla as we speak. What you trade, your choice. Price action remains the same. Risk management and trader psychology is the only difference. It's exact same proprietary Fibonacci level as you witness instantly on this chart. The only difference, in the trading room you see it instantly. You don't have to wait for days, weeks and months to see it on long-term instruments. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, traders.